The Possessing is not a film about a bird. The Possessing is a film about the horror and the death that comes from hell and Satan. If you are afraid, it is not a problem for the Possessing. If you want to be afraid, you are not a coward. You need to go and see a psychic or your landlord. No one must ever know the extreme tendency of Satan to rip out your soul and make fire in his own eyes. Go ahead and call the police, but remember that they cannot defeat Satan, no matter how hard they try. I have already told you that The Possessing is not a film or a movie about a bird. You should seek help with a Samoan shaman or a parapsychologist with a degree in aliens. I must go, but I should tell you that The Possessing is pure terror. Do not think that Satan will allow you to live after you have witnessed the terror, death, hell, blood, gore, horror, death, guts, screaming, death, and blood of The Possessing. The Possessing, the Possessing, the Possessing, the Possessing, the Possessing, the Possessing.